The John Lewis Partnership is one of our most trusted British brands that bring together Waitrose grocery shops, John Lewis department stores, and financial services, offering products that our customers love to use and shop in.
The machine learning and AI roadmap for the partnership primarily focuses on leveraging the capability that we've got today, maximising the machine learning use cases and looking at generative AI to support our shared functions and to increase productivity, and also starting to explore the opportunity that comes with agentic AI.
The data science team at John Lewis Partnership is roughly 22 people, and we cover Waitrose, John Lewis and John Lewis Money. And that can mean tackling use cases in a number of different areas. There are things like recommendation systems, forecasting models, pricing models, retail labour. And so the number of use cases that we are responsible for is broad, and it does challenge our team.
Dataiku is a machine learning and AI platform that enables us to manage the whole data science lifecycle from data prep all the way through to model training and build.
Before Dataiku, there was no real way of realizing the value that our use cases could bring.
When it came to choosing Dataiku as a partner, we initially had a one-year program called the MLOps program to deliver 12 models in 12 months to prove value on the initial investment. That proved to be enormously successful. There was significant return on investment. So now we've transitioned to a business as usual phase, whereby we're looking to scale and prototype at pace for new use cases. The John Lewis Partnership has been around for over 100 years, so as a result of that, there are lots of processes that have existed. One of those that is quite a tangible use case is the bakery optimization tool. Bakery itself came about because there was a process in branch that we'd had feedback that partners did not like, and they found it cumbersome. Partners would be expected to download sheets from a centralized location into an Excel, and off the back of that, they're expected to produce forecasts based on their observations historically. What we've done with the bot tool is that we've been able to take historic sales data, produce a forecast, and then represent that visually back to them so that they can quickly and perform their tasks rather than having to sort of think about these forecasts going forwards.
We've been able to understand when is the right time for any given store to bake the bread so that we increase sales but we reduce wastage as a result. We trialled that first in 19 stores, and then we've successfully rolled that out to all 300 of our stores that have an in-store bakery. Since implementing Dataiku, model operationalization has become so much easier. Previously, it took us months to put models into production. Now we've got that down to just a couple of weeks. We've put 18 models into production and returned £40 million on that investment.
Dataiku gave us an environment where we could experiment and test our hypotheses, govern our data and govern the models that we were going to put through to production, and actually go live and deliver value. By using ready-to-use recipes and templates and accelerators, and by having a drag-and-drop environment that allowed data scientists of all levels of skill and expertise and knowledge to work on this easy-to-use platform, we've been able to deliver immense value across 300 plus shops. Dataiku has made it very easy to integrate with all our tech stack. We have the Dataiku platform where we build our machine learning models. We take data from Snowflake as our data warehouse, and we use Tableau as our visualization tool to make data-driven decisions. These integrations and the way that each platform complements each other delivers a seamless end-to-end journey from an idea all the way to delivering value to our customers. But what I'm most excited about is the governance around Dataiku. We've been able to build out our data governance framework to introduce our AI ethics and our machine learning checks and balances into the data governance node so that we know that everything we're doing is trusted, transparent, and we're accountable for. It means that our customers can be sure and confident that we're using their data in the right way. We found Dataiku incredibly easy to implement across our environment. The speed at which we work, the effortless way we can put a model from experimentation into production, and the value that we realize in such a short amount of time has basically paid for itself.